About me. Woohoo! Thank you for being more on top of it yesterday. Mr. Wise says the sub says you guys were good yesterday, so awesome. Keep it up. I hope you're good today and get through this last day without me. I will bring you guys a treat on Monday. Woohoo! Okay, so today is the 27th, so you have a quiz today. That's the main thing to know. In this quiz, I'm going to ask you stuff about what we've talked about all week, including, that's my cat, say hello, including stuff about Japan. I'm specifically going to ask you what is the capital of Japan. I'm going to ask you which one is the flag of Japan and what continent Japan is on. So when you take this quiz today, you might, before you take it, want to go back and look at what you put for your Japan research. Now, first thing you're going to do today is your weekly updates, where I want you to just describe a normal day for me in at least 5 sentences. At least 5 sentences. Now, if you really don't want to type it, I will allow you to record it instead. So you can use the webcam. No, that's not right. I will add the camera thing so you guys can turn the camera. Let's see. I'll leave it right. I'll do that right now in case you would rather record it, because I know some of you love writing so much that you haven't written anything for me all week. You guys know who you are. All right, media recordings. So if you want to record your update instead of write it, you can just go to the record under start assignment, media, and record. And you can record me a nice message in 5 sentences. Okay? Hi guys, I'll be back tomorrow. Don't forget to save it and upload it. All right, next thing you're going to need to do is review. The rest of the day is just about reviewing for your quiz, and then I have a little bit of a pre-quiz for adjectives, because we're going to talk about adjectives next week. So I have a Kahoot that you can review for your verbs. You need to look at your words, your Quizlet review, because I'm going to use a lot of these words. Irregular past, definitely going to have some questions about that on your test, so make sure you know these. I would play one of the games. And then I have just a quizzes review for you to play. Put your name in. This one is about future tense. Once it stops spinning, you'll just put your name in and then start. You guys know the drill. Most of you have done very well this week. I'm very proud of your grades. Some of you are still behind, so we'll try to get that fixed once I get back, but you should take this opportunity to get some makeup work done. Then here's your quiz. So let's just take a look at it. So there's one question in particular I wanted to give you some hints on. So for the first question, you're going to watch the video and then describe what is happening in 3 sentences. So you have to actually write 3 sentences. Question number 2, list 4 verbs. If you don't want to list them, like if you're afraid you don't know how to spell them right, you can speak them for me by doing the media recording. And just tell me 3 verbs. Okay, I have a few multiple choice questions. Now, for this one, I have the verb here. You can pick to keep that the same if you think it's correct, or to change it to a different verb. So you need to decide. In the Pixar short, Lifted, the man is taken, was taken, am taken. You need to pick which one. If you think it's is, then you can leave it that way. Okay, so for each one of these, you'll need to decide. The alien trying, or was it tries, or tried? Remember, we're trying to talk about past tense. All right, there's your questions about Japan. Now, for this one, you need to read this article. So you'll click right here. Yeah, it's okay if you navigate away, and it'll pull it up. Yes, you have to read it in order to answer the questions. It's short, a page and a half, about girl skateboarders. And then here are the questions that you need to answer about it. Okay, that's it. The last thing for you to do today is a pre-quiz. This one you just get a grade for doing it. I don't care what your actual score is, but that doesn't mean you should just ABCD, because if everybody gets it right, well, then obviously we don't need to do adjectives and I can just skip it and we can talk about something else instead. There's my cat again. So this is kind of fun. It's Dubai jumping. So when you push play, it's going to ask you some questions about this skydive in Dubai. Looks like they're gonna jump off the building, and that sounds terrible. I don't think I would ever want to do that. Okay, so what are they doing? They are base jumping, okay? After you're done, you need to describe what happened using 5 adjectives. So that means like scary, high, this looks amazing, scary, terrifying. Okay, tell me 5 things about it. All right, that's our little adjective pre-quiz. That's all you need to do today. Let me know if you have questions. I will be on Teams, but nobody needed me yesterday, so have a good day. See you on Monday. Woo woot!